BYD Atto 3 Ultra. It comes with a front dash cam over here. Can you see that? It's an integrated dash cam, so to view your video, go over here. DVR. All your recorded video is over here. This is live image. This is the playback list. You can choose every 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes interval. By default, it's 2 minutes. You can clear the data or format the memory card over here. Okay. This is when you record it. You take a picture. You lock it. It's over here. This one. If you would like to upgrade your memory card, you can always upgrade. The slot is over here. Can you see that? This is the memory card slot. For Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you can check my video here. Thank you.